about 17p for a cup of coffee on the train. I'm not going to turn that down. Dhaka to Chittagong, it's ridiculous, isn't it? 17p cup of coffee at about 1:30 a.m. en route to Chittagong. So yeah, it's quite a relaxing train actually. First time on a Bangladesh train, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's my first time on Bangladesh. This is my carriage. No idea what number it is actually. Just couldn't read the numbering system at all. Ridiculous. But I'm in the right seat. I'm on the right train. I'm heading to Chittagong, and these coffee guys are selling coffee for 17 pence. This guy's got some drinks on the go as well. But I don't need one because I got a coffee for a bargain price. And I got one for my friend Masood as well. Masood, the coffee is good, yeah? You like it? Yeah, it's good, yeah. We like the coffee, yeah. No, it's good also, yeah. I just made a video to say that the coffee is good.